Got winter? We do. Well, the winter weather forecast, that is. For over 200 years, the Farmer's Almanac has been predicting long-range weather forecasts to help you plan ahead. These forecasts are based on a formula developed by our founding editor who recognized correlations between celestial events and meteorological conditions. This tried and true formula considers the mysteries of nature and adapts to our ever-changing world. Yes, nature throws us a curveball from time to time, but that doesn't stop us from going out ahead of the pack to predict the weather 2 years in advance and to put it in print. So what's in store for winter 2024-2025? Farmer's Almanac's official winter weather forecast says to get ready for a wet winter whirlwind, with a season of rapid-fire storms bringing rain and snow with little downtime in between. How can we be so sure? Our time-tested formula factors in shifting atmospheric conditions and global weather patterns such as La Niña and El Niño. This winter, La Niña, which refers to the periodic cooling of ocean surface temperatures in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific, is expected to develop and hang on through the season. Considering the effect La Niña has on the weather, along with our long-standing formula, we anticipate this winter will be wet for many, if not most, locations. Winter's coldest temperatures will be found from the northern plains to the Great Lakes region. Moderate to mild winter temperatures are expected along the East Coast, but areas east of the Rockies into the Appalachians will also experience many periods of cold conditions. The coldest outbreak of the season will come during the final week of January into the beginning of February, when frigid Arctic air brings a sharp plunge in temperatures almost nationwide, but especially across the northern plains. As this very cold air blows across the Great Lakes, heavy snow showers and snow squalls will bring intense bursts of snow to the area. Farmer's Almanac's winter weather forecast calls for above-average precipitation, snow, rain, sleet, and ice over the eastern third of the country, especially the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and Midwest. Winter in New England and the Northeast will be stormy with above normal amounts of winter precipitation and near to above normal temperatures. Snow will be most prevalent over the interior and mountainous terrains, while sleet and rain will be more common near the coast, especially near and along the I-95 corridor. The southeast region will be wet and should see mild winter temperatures. Winter will be cold in the north-central states with average snowfall, with most of the snow and storms coming in February. Texas, the southern plains, which includes Kansas, Oklahoma, and portions of Nebraska and New Mexico, are on tap for mild winter temperatures and below normal precipitation. The Pacific Northwest will also have a wet winter. However, the Southwest states are on track for a winter with average to below average precipitation. This winter, you should keep a close eye on the final week of January over most of the eastern half of the country. Our extended weather forecast is predicting a very active storm track that we expect will deliver frequent bouts of heavy precipitation, as well as strong and gusty winds, which could mean copious amounts of snow, rain, sleet, and ice, depending on where you live. Readers in Texas and the Northwest might want to circle the beginning of February for a possible snowstorm, which could bring up to 6 inches in Texas and 12 inches in the Bitterroot Mountain Range of Idaho. Bundle up, friends. Be sure to have your boots and hats ready. Winter will be a whirlwind this year. To learn more about how the Farmer's Almanac makes forecasts or what we are predicting for the entire year ahead, including specific details for your region, visit us online at farmersalmanac.com and pick up a copy of the 2025 Farmer's Almanac.